my name is Philippe Cloutier, President and CEO of Cartier Resources. Over the next few minutes, I will cover a few highlights of our company at August 2022, 2025. And so here we go. I will cover corporate highlights, what we've accomplished on our main asset, and the program that we're launching, where we believe we will outline the next mining camp east of Val-d'Or, and that, in essence, is our value proposition. So here we go with corporate highlights. We're trading currently at 15 cents per share. We have a market cap of $56.2 million Canadian, and we have just under 12 million Canadian in the bank. You can see our shareholder registry, of which Agnico Eagle owns 27.2%. We've been gaining traction in Europe. European shareholders are now at 13%, and we hope to increase that throughout the year. And obviously, Cartier insiders, the Quebec sovereign funds, high net worth, have joined in the recent financing, and long-term Quebec shareholders, again, just under 15%. We believe that throughout 2025, 26, and 27, we will gain additional institutional shareholders, as we believe that is the type of story Cartier is. It is fitting to compare that with the gold price over the last 5 years. Prior to 2023, we delivered 4 resource estimates, and in mid-2023, a PEA, just before the price of gold started to soar. Of relevance are 2 stippled vertical lines on this chart. Prior to 2022, we had a very smallish property centered on a past-producing gold mine, the Chimo gold mine, and that's where we conducted the bulk of our exploration work. In early 2022, we acquired the extensive land package east and west, and now we cover an area that stretches over 15 kilometers of the Larder Lake-Cadillac fault. We then produced a PEA, and now the second stippled line, well, that's when we concluded that we were actually dealing with a emerging gold camp. And that's what I'll be presenting in the next few slides. So our project is located along the Larder Lake-Cadillac fault zone in the Quebec portion. You can see the main asset, the Cadillac project, in blue off to the right side of the slide. I've drawn in the Cadillac fault, and you can see it running through the Larder camp, the Malarctic camp, the Val-d'Or camp, and onto our asset where it crosses the past-producing Chimo mine. This slide also gives you an appreciation that there are numerous mills along the highway and accessible for Cartier that are owned by no less than 4 senior producers. Okay, so it's pertinent to run through what we've accomplished in the last 10 years and what we're about to target in the next 18 months. After acquiring the Chimo mine in 2013, we compiled it, we conducted drilling programs in and around the infrastructure, delivered 3 resource assessments. That's what we call the Chimo mine era. In early 2022, we acquired the East Cadillac from O3 Mining and completed additional drilling around the infrastructure and 1 program at the regional level. We delivered another resource estimate, and we filed a preliminary economic assessment. But note that we did that using a long-term gold price of $1,750 US. Now, late in 2024, we realize that the extensive land package that we acquired can produce additional Chimo type and new mineralization across the 15-kilometer stretch of the Larder Lake-Cadillac fault. So we're embarking on an ambitious 100,000 meter diamond drill hole program, 600 drill holes. We're going to be concluding metallurgical testing as well, environmental baseline studies, Chimo tailings project, where we're assessing the gold potential in the past Chimo tailings, and obviously updating the mineral resource estimate and the preliminary economic assessment. Now, this slide shows you what we've accomplished throughout 2024. We essentially drilled the extensions of the mineralization seen at Chimo, but discovered 3 new types of gold mineralization along the fault and through the fault corridor itself. As you can see, there are 4 different types, and that led to designing the 2025 to 2027 program. None of the new discoveries and drilling post-2022 that you're seeing here were included in the current resource, so there's upside there as well. Now, the value proposition is obviously what we're going to be doing in the next 18 months. A 100,000 meter diamond drill program, 600 diamond drill holes, no deeper than 300 meters. We're going to be targeting over 30 high-grade gold zones over the entire 15-kilometer strike of the Cadillac Fault on this asset. You can see that the holes are distributed in 2 distinct categories. 67% of the diamond drill holes are targeting to expand the known gold zones and make new discoveries, and 33% of the holes are targeted to explore lithostructural models and verify artificial intelligence derived targets. And so we aim to grow their gold resources and make new discoveries. So the last few minutes, I've actually reviewed the corporate highlights, what we've accomplished in the recent years since gold has tracked up, and what we are about to do. I believe we are an investment opportunity as we are trading below our peers, and we have a lot of upside, and we aim to produce a steady and frequent news flow stemming from this drill program, metallurgical studies, resource assessments, and additional preliminary economic assessments. Thank you very much for listening to this story, and give me a call if you need additional information.